Hello crafters! I recently purchased a Cricut Maker, and my first vinyl project was making Batman decals for my Batman-obsessed son. I transformed these Contigo cups by personalizing them with my son's name. I'll give you a quick walkthrough of what I used to decorate these cups and the basic process of how to create a simple, single-color design featuring a shape with letters appearing in the negative space. FYI, these are just for personal use, so I'm not selling these, nor would I suggest selling cups featuring logos or characters you don't own. Here are the supplies I used for this project. I'll also include links in the description to what items I used for your convenience. Cricut Maker, green standard grip cutting mat, Oracle 651 vinyl, Silhouette Aura tape transfer tape, Cricut scraper, Cricut weeder, Contigo cups, but any smooth cup would do. First, I created the design. I actually made this in Photoshop first and imported it into Design Space, but you can easily create it directly in Design Space, so I'll show you how to do that now. Start by inserting a solid one-color shape into Cricut Design Space. You can either use one of Cricut's own images, or you can upload your own. If you're looking for inspiration, search for Silhouette in Design Space. Since Cricut didn't have Batman images available, I imported a copy of the logo. Since the image is one color, choose Simple for the image type. Click on the white background to make it transparent. If there are any other white areas on your silhouette, click on all of them until they're replaced with a transparent gray and white grid. Choose Save as a Cut Image. Select the recently uploaded image and click the Insert Images button. Now the image is on the canvas and you can see in the right sidebar that there is one cut layer. Use the text tool to put some text on top of your shape. Change the color to white so you can see the placement, and resize the text to fit the shape as well as you can. Select both the text and shape layer. You'll see in the right sidebar that both layers are now highlighted in darker gray. Then click on the Splice button at the bottom right sidebar. Now you'll see that there are three layers, one white layer of your text, one black layer of your text, and the shape excluding the text. Right-click on both of the text layers and choose Delete. Now you're left with just one layer to cut. All that's left to do now is resize the shape to your desired size by either dragging the resize icon or manually setting the width or height. Measure the object that you're putting the vinyl decal on to decide how big or small you want it. Time to cut the vinyl. I used the green standard Cricut mat with the Oracle 651 vinyl. I only loaded up the mat with a rectangle worth of vinyl big enough to cover the design according to the mat preview in Cricut Design Space. When sending the project to the Cricut, I used the preset for vinyl. Unload your mat and carefully peel off the negative space vinyl. For internal pieces that need to be removed, use the Cricut weeding tool. Now we'll need to apply a piece of transfer tape to the top of the design. I used my Cricut scraper to make sure the transfer tape was really adhered. Peel the transfer tape and vinyl off the backing carefully, making sure that all those inner pieces of vinyl are sticking to the transfer tape and not being left behind on the paper. Line up the design onto your cup and carefully press it into place. Again, I used a scraper to help make sure there were no bubbles and that it's perfectly adhered. Be sure to wait 24 to 48 hours before using your cup to make sure that the vinyl has cured, and enjoy! Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Craftcore for more crafty videos. I'd appreciate any comments and thumbs ups that you can share. See you next time!